So it is successful. And chain doesn't get too hot. This is the Chinese ATV with the 212 Predator engine on it. Had to do a few mods like the sprocket. It's run off a 35 chain. Looks pretty good. I did it simple with just a plate on the bottom, mount the motor to, mount the plate to the frame. Sprockets actually welded to the hub. This side I'm not done yet. Got the air filter mod from eBay. So it's gonna be the red cone sticking out, not that ugly thing. As far as everything else looks pretty good.